Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo IdeaPad 3. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo IdeaPad 3 won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can stem from a variety of problems, such as a faulty battery, a malfunctioning power adapter, or even an internal component failure. If left unresolved, it could lead to further damage, making the repair more complicated and costly down the line. To get started, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap for safety. Now, let's move on to the repair steps. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully place it face down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently insert the plastic spudger into the seam between the back panel and the device body. Carefully run it along the edges to release the clips holding the panel in place. Take your time here to avoid damaging the clips. After you've successfully removed the back panel, you'll see the internal components. Look for the battery, as this is often the culprit when your device won't turn on. Carefully disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard using tweezers, ensuring not to touch any other components. If the battery appears swollen or damaged, it will need to be replaced. To do this, remove the screws securing the battery in place and gently lift it out. Insert the new battery, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, making sure it's seated properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the back panel by aligning it correctly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, secure the back panel with the screws you removed earlier. To ensure everything is working correctly, plug in your device and attempt to power it on. If the device turns on successfully, congratulations! You completed the repair. To prevent this problem from occurring again, ensure you regularly check your power adapter and avoid exposing your laptop to extreme temperatures. Keeping your device clean and free of dust will also help maintain its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.